Are you thinking of placing a radio ad in the UAE for the first time? Don't worry, we'll walk you through everything step by step. From planning your ad to tracking your results, we'll cover what you need to know to launch with confidence. And if you want to simplify the entire process, Blastily can help you handle it all, from scripting to booking. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your campaign goals and audience. Before you contact any station or produce your ad, get clear on what you want to achieve. Are you trying to increase brand awareness, drive people to your website, or get walk-ins to your store? Once your goal is clear, define your audience. Are you targeting English-speaking professionals, Arabic-speaking locals, South Asian expats? This helps you choose the right language, voice tone, and station. Step 2. Pick the right station and time slot. Now that you know who you're targeting, select a station that reaches that audience. For professionals and business-minded listeners, try Dubai Eye 103.8. For younger, trendier crowds, Virgin Radio or Dubai 92 work well. Targeting Hindi or Malayalam-speaking communities, try City 116 or Gold FM. Arabic speakers, consider Emirat FM or Al Khalijiya. Next, choose your time slot. Morning drive time 6 to 10 a.m. and evening drive 4 to 8 p.m. are peak hours. They cost more but give higher reach. Midday and late evening slots are more affordable and may still reach your audience effectively. Not sure what to pick? Blastily can analyze your audience and recommend the best mix. Step 3. Create your ad script and produce the audio. Start with a hook, something that grabs attention in the first few seconds. State your brand name clearly, explain the benefit or offer, and finish with a strong call to action like visit us today, call now, or use this code to get a discount. Your ad should be 30 to 60 seconds max. Make sure it sounds professional. A good voiceover, clean audio, and proper pacing matter. If you're targeting multilingual audiences, consider recording in Arabic, English, or Hindi, depending on your listener. Need help with script writing or voiceover? Blastily has a creative team ready to assist. Step 4. Book your ad space. Use a trusted media agency like Blastily to manage the entire booking process for you. You'll need to provide your ad, select your dates, and confirm your time slots. Some stations also offer packages that include live mentions by radio hosts, sponsorships of weather or traffic updates, or even shout-outs during shows. It's important to get everything documented: number of spots, timings, and total cost. Blastily can handle all communication, negotiation, and scheduling, so you don't have to. Step 5. Launch and track performance. Once your ad is live, start tracking it immediately. Use a custom promo code mentioned only on radio, or a special URL like brandname.ae/radio. You can also track phone calls using a separate number. Ask new customers where they heard about you, and monitor your website traffic during the campaign days. Blastily offers campaign analytics and reporting tools to help you make sense of the data. Step 6. Review and optimize. Don't just run your ad and forget it. After the first few days, review what's working. Which time slots are bringing results? Are people using your promo code? You may find that one station performs better, or that your evening ad gets more responses than your morning one. Make small tweaks. Re-record if needed, add a stronger call to action, or shift your spend to the best performing slots. Blastily helps brands optimize their campaigns continuously to get better results with less stress. Let's recap. Define your campaign goals and audience. Choose the right radio station and time slot. Write a clear script and produce a quality ad. Book your airtime or let Blastily manage it. Launch and track your campaign. Analyze performance and make improvements. Radio still works, especially in the UAE, where over 90% of people tune in every week. With the right plan and message, your brand can make a lasting impression. And if you'd like expert help from start to finish, head over to blastily.com. We simplify the entire process so you can focus on results. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical marketing guides.